This is Eric with Task Force Tips. Today we're going to talk about what to do in case you lose power. In front of me I have the Monsoon monitor, so that would be represented by the Monsoon, the Tornado, the Typhoon, Tsunami, and the Hurricane. And over here is the EF1. The biggest difference, as you can tell on the EF1, there is no keypad, so it's a little bit more difficult to tell if you lose power at this. Whereas on the Monsoon, you've got the power LED right here on the front. So in case you do lose power, you may need to move it manually to get it out of the way of an obstruction or to park the monitor. In this style, you'll see it has the manual override knobs on the outside, one for your vertical and over here for your horizontal. It's just as simple as rotating the manual override knob to get it to move. There's your vertical or your horizontal. EF1, it's a little bit different. As you can see, there's no keypad as I mentioned previously, and also there are no external override knobs. So to move this, you will need a 1/4 inch Allen wrench, and on the top of each axis you're going to see a little aluminum cap. You simply pop that off and it will expose a hex. You simply insert the Allen wrench and you just rotate it. It's the same for the vertical as it is the horizontal.